Investing for beginners in South Africa. What stocks am I invested in currently? Am I still doing the stock trading thing? Yes, 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 and yes. Hello, my name is MrTurner, aka MrTurner, and welcome back to another video. I've been getting a lot of requests lately to talk about stock trading and what stocks I've invested in. How do I use easy equities? How do I use investing.com? And have I been making money? Am I making money with it? Am I still doing this? All will be answered within this YouTube video. So let me give a quick shout out to the Instagrammer who has been asking me questions, and then we will dive into today's video. So let's jump onto the screen recording. Okay, welcome to Easy Equities. If you haven't created an account and you want a 50 Rand gift as a referral link, you can DM me on Instagram. But this video suggestion was mentioned by an Instagram follower and a subscriber who reached out to me on Instagram, and his Instagram handle is up on the screen, Lunga_Travis. Shout out. His question was, hey bro, I'm new to this whole stock market thing, and at the beginning of this month I bought Sasol and Woolly shares. I've been watching your YouTube videos and I was wondering, in your own points of view, which company share do you advise to buy, and which share do you have currently in your position, if you don't mind sharing? Shout out Lunga. So yeah, let me go through easy equities and show you what I've invested in. So far I only have one position open. As you can see, at the moment I'm in the positive of 0.05. It's probably a little more, but easy equities is a little bit delayed with updates, and 0.01 round. Okay, the other day I was positive 50 Rand, which is pretty decent, but the reason why I'm actually holding Sasol is I believe it will go up in the future. At the moment I'm invested in Sasol with around 500 Rand. Yeah, so that's my current portfolio, and I will be getting back into stock trading. As you know, I've just been busy creating my course, so I stopped trading for around 3 weeks just to focus on my course on how to make a website and make a side hustle from that. But the reason why I'm actually holding on to Sasol is we can jump over to ZAR Investing, and this will answer another question from one of my subscribers: is how do you use ZAR Investing? Well, since I'm a newbie to this, I don't really use it as much. I just have some gut feelings. I look at the news and analysis, and I mostly use the chart. So if you click on this chart option, it will give you a decent chart. I'd say it's fairly decent. And wow, this actually makes me a little sad because this is where I actually started trading on the 6th of April. Oh my goodness. I started trading on the 6th of April, and if I had bought and held my Sasol shares from there, look at this jump. I mean, oh my god, that's what happens in trading, guys. Like, you can't go back and look at the charts and be like, oh, if only I did this, if only I did that. No. It actually kind of makes me sad. But anyway, look at this jump here. I believe it's going to hit this resistance line over here and hopefully break through it. Obviously, due to the circumstances we're in, it kind of dropped, and the whole oil war that's been happening, I think it had an effect on Sasol, but I do believe it will go up. I'm still a bit gut wrenched as to how I could have invested like at least 1,000 Rand here and it would have doubled. Anyway, as I say, you can't regret anything, but right now you can hear in my voice I'm very sad. But it is what it is. You know what? It is what it is. I'll get over it. And yeah, that's why I'm holding my position on Sasol. I think it's going to go up here, and I hope that answers your question. Now, to those of you, how do I use this? I mainly just go by gut feeling of support and resistance. I know a lot of the pros out there have been criticizing me for the way I trade, and fairly so. I'm a beginner. I don't know what I'm doing much. I'm actually going to take a course on how to stock trade fairly soon and hopefully get my skills up. Now look at where it was last year, December. Last year, December, it was all the way up there. So yeah, if I hold on this position, it might bounce back. I doubt it'll go back there within like the next 8 months. But if I just hold on to it and obviously start pumping more money into it, I might get a nice return. But guys, as I say, this is not any financial advice. Please do not base trades on what I'm doing. I'm a total beginner, and obviously I'm going to lose money along the way. I do not want you to take trades just because I've said it, unless I become a super pro with 1,000% profit all the time. Then yeah, maybe I'd have some advice to give. But for now, let's jump onto how to use easy equities, because I've been getting that question a lot as well. So we're back here. Let me just cut. So let's say you're on your dashboard now and you want to purchase a stock on easy equities. You just go and have a look here. Let's say you want to get into Sasso. Let's say you put Sasso and it's not found. That's okay. You just need to choose a category over here. Click all, and there it is. If you click on Sasso, the one thing I do have against easy equities is sometimes it's very slow and sometimes it will kick you out of the site. I do understand that they're going through a lot at the moment because of what's happening, this pandemic. As you can see, this product is currently unavailable. It will be available. Like, this is what happens with easy equities. So you could refresh and then it might kick me out. It might tell you that it's not available, but trust me, tomorrow morning it will be there. Yeah, that's the thing about easy equities. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose with regards to the platform. But hey, at the moment, I think it's one of the best platforms here for us South African stock traders. If you disagree with me, let me know in the comment section down below what stock trading platform you use. I have signed up to Frank, which is another South African based platform where we can buy and sell stocks in South Africa. But for now, I'm pretty comfortable with easy equities, despite all the negative problems they've been giving me along the way. The great part about easy equities is if you can afford to buy the US stocks, then you can go ahead and have a look at them. Let's say you want to invest in the Alphabet, Google. Oh my god, see, it's what happens sometimes with easy equities. Like, I didn't click on you guys and you brought up something else. Okay, easy equity. Oh, and there you go, guys. I'm gonna leave it there because obviously easy equities is giving me some slight issues. Let me just jump onto the camera. Aware. As you can see, sometimes easy equities does give me some issues, and you will come across that along the way. So easy equities, it's fairly simple. And I will get into an in-depth tutorial about how to buy and sell some of the stocks, but I did want to show you some raw features. Like, yes, it does not work sometimes, all right, and that might be because my internet is slow. I want to give them the benefit of the doubt, but that is my stock portfolio. I haven't made much, as you can see, 5 cents. It was up at 50 Rand or whatever it was, but I do want to hold on to my Sasol share because I made the mistake of buying it all the way back then and selling for like a quick $100 when I could have made at least 500. But anyway, it is what it is, right? I hope this video was informative. Shout out to Lunga for suggesting in the comments. I will be getting back to my drop store video. I just haven't been able to select a product. Yeah, it's, some of the SA based platforms, like, they're starting out, so I'm giving them a benefit of the doubt, and let's just hope and pray that it is working and my money's just not going to be taken at the end of the month without any value provided to me. And I hope this series goes well, of doing stock trading, drop shipping, and hustling, because that's what we have to do in these times. We have to hustle, and I can review some things for you so your hard-earned money doesn't just disappear. All right, so if you have any suggestions for me, let me know in the comment section down below. I'll try and test it out for you. And yeah, please smash like, smash subscribe. If you're part of the floor gang, you know what it is. 19-year-old army. Yeah, I'm part of that too. All right, remember to stay shining, keep smiling even on a rainy day. Let me go and get some sleep. And cheers. Still got to edit the video, so I ain't sleeping. All right, cheers.